How to create and sell passes on Roblox. Full guide first, open your browser and go to the official Roblox website. As you can see, once you're on the website, you'll need to log in. After logging in, you'll see the Create option in the center of the page. Click on it. If you're using a mobile device, you may need to zoom in or switch to desktop mode. Once you enable desktop mode, you will see 3 dots on the left side. Let me show you clearly. Click on the 3 dots. After clicking, scroll down and you'll see the Creation option. Click on Creation. Now you'll see a list of places you've created. For example, my place shows up, and under it, you will see a text that includes the name of your place. Click on it. Once you click on the place name, you will see a list of options. You'll need to zoom in again, and on the left side, you will find 3 dots next to the desktop option. Click on those dots again, and then scroll down to find the Passes option. Click on Passes, and you will see all the passes you have created. If you haven't created any yet, you will see an option to Create New Pass. Click on that, and enter the name of the pass. If you want to change the image, you can upload a custom image. Just make sure it's in a square ratio, 1:1, like the image I've uploaded. After uploading the image and naming your pass, click on the Create Pass button. It may take a few seconds to load, and once it's done, you will see a message saying Optional. This means the pass is not available for sale yet. To enable sales, click on the pass again, and you will be taken back to the pass details page. Click on the 3 dots next to the desktop icon, and from there, click on the Sales option. Now make sure to enable the Item for Sale option. Once you enable it, you'll need to enter the price for your pass. After filling in the price, click on Save Changes. Note: even though it shows creator earnings at 70%, in reality, you will receive 60%, as Roblox takes 30% of the earnings, and the remaining 10% goes to the developer of the place. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends so they can also learn how to create passes and earn Roblox currency. See you in the next video. Bye for now.